Hey foodies, welcome back to Everything's Major. Today we're diving into some mouth-watering, cheesy, and spicy baked $1,000,000 spaghetti recipe that is going to blow your taste buds away. If you love layers of creamy white sauce, zesty tomato sauce, and loads of melted cheese, then stick around because this dish is everything. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Let's get started with our meat and veggies. In a large skillet, melt some butter and drizzle in some olive oil over medium heat. Once the butter is melted, toss in your chopped onion and shallot and mix together. I'm adding in some salt and pepper for some flavor. We're going to saute our veggies until they're nice and tender. Now we're going to add in our ground turkey. You can use any poultry that you like. Ground chicken is good or regular beef is good. Next, we're going to add in your hot Italian sausage. Mix everything together, breaking in the sausage so it cooks faster. We're going to season our meat generously with some pink Himalayan salt, coarse black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, red pepper flakes, herbes de Provence, and some garlic and herb seasoning. Give it a good stir and cook it until it's no longer pink. Once your meat is brown and your veggies are tender, drain off any excess liquid and add your meat back into your skillet. Now we're going to add in a hefty amount of tomato paste. Stir that in and add in some brown sugar because we're so sweet. A little brown sugar balances out the acidity in the tomatoes. Next, pour in your tomato sauce. Now we're going to use some spicy Italian sausage sauce that's going to add tons of flavor to this recipe. Now off camera, I also put in 1 can of fire roasted peppers. This makes your sauce a little bit more smoky and add a little kick to it. While the sauce simmers, we're going to make some creamy white sauce. So in another pan, melt in some butter on low heat. I felt a little guilty, so I removed some butter, so I didn't use the entire stick. Add in some minced garlic and cook that under a minute. This is where all that rich garlic flavor starts to build up. Now we're going to pour in some heavy cream and add in 8 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese and let it melt completely. Stir it all together and let it simmer gently until it's nice and smooth. I added in some more seasonings. I used some more salt and pepper, red pepper flakes, garlic powder, and herb seasoning. Adjust the seasonings to your liking and let it simmer on low for a few minutes to let all those beautiful flavors come together. Now it's time to amp up some creaminess. We're going to add in some shredded Parmesan cheese, and I also added some Italian blend cheese and some mozzarella cheese. Stir it all together until the cheese is melted and everything is silky smooth. You also want to taste as you go. I added in some more seasoning. Now remove your white sauce from the heat and we're going to boil our noodles. In salted water or salted broth is what I use. We're going to cook our thin spaghetti pasta. Once done, drain and set aside. Now here comes the fun part, assembling everything. Start by adding your pasta into a baking dish. Then we're going to add in 1.5 cups of that white sauce and mix it all together. Next, pour the remainder white sauce on top, followed by some cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese for that cheesy goodness. Then add a generous amount of your meat sauce on top and finish off with another generous layer of cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. You know we like it cheesy. And I also sprinkled some Italian breadcrumbs on top, followed by some sweet paprika. Now it's time to bake this masterpiece on 375 for about 25 to 30 minutes. You'll want to wait until it's all bubbly and golden on top. But here's the secret. Once it's done baking, turn on your broiler for a couple of minutes to get that crispy golden crust that we all love. Look at that. It's all cheesy and bubbly and absolutely perfect. Let it cool for a few minutes before you dive in. I know it's tempting, but you don't want to burn your tongue. But in the meantime, in between time, let's take a picture. There you have it, family. The ultimate baked $1,000,000 spaghetti recipe. It's a flavor of explosion of creamy white sauce, spicy tomato sauce, and melt in your mouth cheesy. Trust me, your family's going to be asking you for seconds. Now for the next video you should watch is my delicious orange chicken recipe. It's better than takeout and it's easy and fast. Restaurant style quality with a kick. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and share this video with all your family and friends. And thank you for watching, and I will see you again real soon next time on Everything's Major, because it's always a treat when the majors meet. See you next time. God bless you. Bye. Thank you guys for watching. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Take care and God bless. And everything you do, make sure it's major. Everything's major. Everything's major. Everything's major.